foods. It would be impossible to showcase all the great food San Antonio has to offer, let alone in a little over a day. But there are two restaurants in particular that are close to our heart. That would be Green, with its awesome vegetarian food, and Pasha's, which was voted 2019's best Mediterranean and Greek restaurant in the city. Let's go back to the Pearl Brewery District to get started.
So right now we're gonna try to find this restaurant we used to go to. It's called Green, and they specialize in vegetarian food. We used to be vegetarian in Texas.
Yep, we used to be vegetarian.
Can you believe that? Yeah.
People would make fun of us actually.
I think so, yeah.
They're like, what? Vegetarian in Texas? Are you crazy? Have you tried the biscuit? The brisket?
Brisket.
Have you tried the brisket? That's my favorite part of the eggplant. Alright, so Maria's kind of in shock at this whole Pearl Brewery expansion.
It's too big.
It's too big.
I'm a little emotional. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like, oh my god. It's like when you move abroad and then you miss like your nephews growing up and all that stuff. I kind of miss San Antonio like expanding.
Yeah, it grew so much, but it still stays familiar.
Yeah, it's still familiar.
Yeah.
But like this restaurant, for example, this used to be like in a warehouse, right?
Well, it used to be in another part of town.
Like I think it was close from here. It was like a back road, like a small warehouse.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
And now it's here.
It's sprawling. Yeah, it's here. And in the river, like they have the river.
The river is connected. Like everything, like the urban planning that they had to, do for this
was really good.
Impressive.
Yeah. So thumbs up to the urban planner, civil engineer. They got all this done.
It's amazing. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And the buildings are like environmentally friendly.
Yeah, it's like they're environmentally conscious.
Like, conscious, because if you see like the windows here, it's like, and the height of the ceiling.
Yeah, the way everything is designed to let more light in, and I've noticed that a lot of the ceilings are covered with vegetation, which is good because that keeps the cooling and heating costs down, especially in this area, which is hot, so it keeps the cooling costs down, which is great. So.
Now let's wait for our food.
And let's just wait for our food. We ordered, and I'm just happy to eat some vegetarian.
So what did you get?
I got the Korean beef burrito, and the beef has that Korean flavor to it. Wow. I mean,
it's not beef.
It's not beef.
Probably like Satan something.
Yeah, something like that, but it's still very good. I like it. Like the crunchiness from the purple cabbage is really good. It's very, very good. It has the authentic Korean flavor. It's a bit spicy, not too much because I'm not feeling the head tingle. And I got some refried beans with it because, why not?
Different kind of meat, but it's really good.
Probably like a soy meat.
Like a soy base.
Yeah.
No. So I got the chicken fried chicken. While in Texas, might as well.
Because it looks like it.
It looks like chicken.
Yeah, it definitely looks like chicken.
Smells like chicken.
Tastes like chicken, right?
Tastes like chicken. Like a big nugget. Weird. And the sauce is really good.
So what about the crispiness? Because that's part of the whole. The crispiness is there.
Big crispy. Actually, I like because it has like a mushroom sauce.
Good.
I'm sold.
Alright, let's see what else you got on this plate.
I got some kale.
And some cheddar cheese I see on this corner.
That's not cheddar cheese. Nice. It's a nice vinaigrette.
Yeah. Or a vin, as some places call it. Vin. Alright guys, well we're gonna finish our dinner. We'll see you in a bit.
was voted 2019 Best Mediterranean and Greek food.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So what we just received now is complimentary. Every time that you come to Pasha's, they serve you some bread and some olive oil with za'atar, and now feta cheese. And yeah, I mean, I remember sometimes we would like halfway finish the bread, they would bring us a new one. And since we couldn't like finish it, we would take it home and make pizza out of it.
Yeah, well, it's pretty big, so.
Yes.
Za'atar and olive oil is one of my favorite condiments, so I could eat this all day.
You and me both.
So what did you get?
I got the Musicom, and I remember it very fondly. It's very creamy. And
Looks like you're gonna cry, man.
no, but you know, this eggplant goodness. Wow. That bechamel is just, I can't describe it, so it's very, very creamy. Flavor is perfect. Wow.
So I got the Pasha's bodegas too. And it has meat and like tomatoes and
Eggplant.
eggplant, yeah. Very good.
Is it similar to the one at Rez's?
No, it's very different.
Very different?
This is very tomato based.
Okay. So, wow, everything has been great so far. And then one of the staff came out and they gave us samples of like fruit. I don't want to call it ice cream. It was like creme anglaise, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they would add like different fruits to it and make kind of like an ice cream sorbet, if you will. And we just tried Turkish coffee, pomegranate, pineapple, some of those kind of like limoncello, passion fruit, and they were all super, super delicious. And he was very nice to explain to us how they make it, and it was just fantastic. We got the Turkish coffee ice cream, and I was kind of surprised because Maria doesn't really tend to like cold coffee in ice cream form, so I was surprised.
You say they make it with creme anglaise?
Creme anglaise, yeah.
As a base, and then they
as a
add
base, then they add the flavors in. Cha-ching! We liked it so much, we're taking it to go.
Ready to hit the road?
Oh yeah. Hit the road, Jack. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and catch you in the next one.